Hey everyone, welcome to another Lionel Trains review. Today we're talking about the extremely hard to find Tuscan version of the blue automobile Baltimore and Ohio boxcar. First introduced in 1953 and was cataloged in 1955. At least 99% of them were blue. A very few handful were painted Tuscan brown, as you can see here. In 1953, Lionel introduced a new type of boxcar, the double-door boxcar. This boxcar in real life was used to transport automobiles. The double doors made it possible for a car to be driven in, at least two cars. The Tuscan version is extremely hard to find and very valuable. Another way to tell a Tuscan version, or also all Tuscan versions, have an X on the box. I'm not sure why, but every Tuscan version I saw has this X. Maybe Lionel designated it Tuscan version, or who knows. But if you get a Tuscan version with a box that doesn't have an X, that box is probably from the common blue version. All Tuscan versions need to have this X. And also, it's double-sided, the X. As you can see, this one has the original box, which is pretty clean. Has some writing on it, some shelf stain, but it has character. This car is a beauty. I was lucky to pick this up around last summer from a friend of mine. As you can see, there's no chips or scrapes. This is a couple $100 car, and it'll add a very nice prestige to anyone's collection. There's not a lot of them out there. Good looking car. As you can see, the lettering is very crisp. And this has those nice automatic couplers underneath. It says the Lionel Corporation, New York. Wow, pretty cool. What a time capsule. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day.